Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix we couldn't verify your country YouTube Premium. First, try switching networks. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, turn it off and use your mobile data instead. If you are already using mobile data, connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Next, try changing the device you are using. If you are on a computer, close the browser and try signing up using the YouTube mobile app on your phone. If you are on your phone, try using a computer instead. Now check your payment profile. Go to Google Pay settings while signed into your Google account. Find your payment profile and look at the country listed there. This country must match the country where you are physically located right now. If it does not match, you may need to create a new payment profile with the correct country. After that, check your payment method. Make sure your credit or debit card was issued by a bank in your current country. YouTube often declines cards from different regions. If needed, remove the old card and add a new one that matches your country. Also, update your current location. In your Google account settings, confirm your address and location details are correct and complete. Once done, log out of your Google account, restart your device, log back in, and try again. Thanks for watching.